Can you do a short sale on a vehicle? Well, of course, this is going to happen with people losing their cars. You see the article here. With car payments at about $1,000 for a typical car, and loan terms going 6-7 years sometimes, you're going to see more people not being able to afford their car payments. And when that happens, you're going to have either repossessions, or you're going to have some savvy owners do what's called a short sale, where you contact your lender, you put together a package showing what the value is, showing what your income is, and they take over your car and you don't have negative equity. Because see, that's the biggest problem with car payments, is if you owe more money on the car than it's worth, you can't sell it. You can't get out of it. With real estate, you very rarely have negative equity. If you own a home and you can't afford to live in it, you can always sell it and get your mortgage paid. But as soon as you buy a car and drive it off the lot, unless you put down 20 or 30% down payment, which most people don't, you're going to owe more on the car than it's worth. So you can't sell it. But there is a car short sale process you may be able to use with your lender. If you put together the right package, the right approach with the lender, certain letters, certain paperwork, you can check out the link below. Sometimes you can get your lender to do a short sale. They would rather do that than do a repossession, because when they do a repossession, it costs them a lot of money and it goes on their books in a bad way. If it's a voluntary short sale, a lot of times you can get them to accept it. You don't have any liability after the fact, and sometimes it doesn't affect your credit as bad because they're not going to show a loss or a deficiency judgment. So make sure you look into that. If you're, backed against the corner with your car, don't just let them come repo it. Try to do a car short sale before you go any further.